Ever missed a rare bird because your binoculars were too bulky? Or struggled to keep up with the action at a concert? I know the feeling. Heavy, shaky binoculars ruin the moment. You want to see everything but not lug around extra weight. That's why I switched to Hantry's 10x25 compact binoculars. These are designed for both adults and kids. Super versatile. They fit right in your palm, weighing just 0.6 pounds. No more neck strain or awkward carrying cases. With 10x magnification, you get close to the action, but your image stays steady. No more shaky views. Back 4 Prisms deliver crystal clear 3D depth images. Even in low light, details pop and colors stay bright. Perfect for early morning bird watching or evening concerts. Adjustable interpupillary distance fits kids and adults, so everyone in the family can join the adventure. Let me show you how easy these are to use. Just unfold, adjust the eyepieces, and you're set. Look, here's a bird perched far away. With Hantry, I see every feather, even from a distance. Switch to a sports game, catch every thrilling moment. No more missing the winning goal or dramatic play. At the theater, I zoom in on the actors' expressions. Concerts, I feel like I'm front row every time, and when I travel, they slip right into my backpack. I keep them in the car glove box for spontaneous stops. Even at the airport, I spot planes and landmarks easily. Kids love exploring the backyard with these too. Everyone gets a clear, comfortable view. No squinting. The compact design means no hassle, no bulk. Hantry binoculars are always ready for adventure. They're not just for outdoors. Use them anywhere, anytime. From hiking trails to city streets, they go everywhere. Nature enthusiasts, travelers, families, these are for you. No more sharing one pair or missing out. Everyone gets their own perfect fit and view. Let's talk about image quality again. Back 4 Prisms make colors vibrant and details sharp. Low light, no problem, still bright and clear. I've tried other binoculars, but these truly impress. Lightweight enough for kids, powerful enough for adults. The wide IPD range means no uncomfortable squeezing. Just twist and adjust for your eyes. Simple. Want to spot birds, catch concerts, or watch sports? Hantry binoculars handle it all effortlessly. I use them for hiking, traveling, and spontaneous outings. No more leaving binoculars at home. They're always with me. Let's see them in action once more. Zoom in on a distant tree. See every branch clearly. At a football game, catch every play without missing a beat. Theater performances. See costumes and faces up close. Concerts. Feel the energy from any seat. Family trips. Everyone gets a turn. Everyone's amazed. Kids can use them easily. No complaints. Adults love the portability and clear views. From backyard adventures to big events, they deliver. No more frustration, just pure enjoyment. Hantry binoculars are my everyday companion. I recommend keeping a pair in your car or bag. Never miss a moment. Spontaneous fun is always possible. Ready to upgrade your viewing experience? Hantry's compact binoculars are the answer. See more, carry less. Perfect for every adventure. Share the excitement with friends and family. Explore nature, enjoy events, and discover new sights. Don't let bulky gear hold you back. Choose Hantry for crystal clear, bright images anytime. Lightweight, compact, and versatile. What more could you want? Take them everywhere. Your one-stop solution for seeing more. Ready to see the world up close? Try Hantry binoculars today and never miss a moment.